Everything me have, you know me work hard for it. So why don't you nigga bad mind me for it? Every day them see me out the road and me a flash. Buy me one a liquor, so me have me one a glass. All them me close them so sharp. So who no like me style, tell a boy fit your calf now. Them a watch everything and me a wear and no see the hard work when me do for me career now. Them a wonder how me things and so there them want kill you for the car where you was here. Me heart not dirty, me heart clean, clean like the water from the stream.
Yes, my people, so me are going in shop and I say me can get the things them, put them together. And a morning, when the traffic ease off, me run carry them downtown go get that woman here, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. The shop where price move 24/7, but it always a move down, you know, not up. Everywhere else I sell saltfish 800 a pound and 500 there, so. And see it there? Yeah, man. Some money sound always like to see price. Great turkey neck there at 100 a pound. Yeah, man, everywhere else you go at 300 and 250. And remember, I don't like, I not nobody know, but them man I believe in a small, quick sales, small profit. Man I believe in a quick sales, small profit. Alright? So we are going in the shop. We are going in the shop, you know? Yeah, they know long she don't go on camera about what kind of madness we run come down, but she left and she come a big shop, left down a small shop. So a day for the cashier up here.
Every Thursday.
I'm gonna see how I go on, you know, alright? We're not going to provide them something up here. I have to walk when we could have a little anchally and go and pick up everything you know.
Any flavor? Any flavor that baby boy?
Alright, the mirror.
I think last person.
Oh, good thing them drop on me too. Good thing them drop on me too, boy. Yeah. Saltfish there? Saltfish people. Them say if you see the head, you know eat saltfish. That's why you always see saltfish not come with no head. So them say if you ever see the head of saltfish, you know eat it.
That's the same with ever beer behind that and nothing more down.
Yeah, every day they say. From your girl that them say if you ever see the head of saltfish, you know you eat.
Pour something in the number one. Pour something in the number one. Next, saltfish. Oh, this is you have one with down here? No. Regular red and blue cup.
What is it? Could I do shop work, people?
Why do you want mixed fats?
How much are them flour?
Eh?
How much are them flour?
5 pounds.
5 pounds?
5 pounds.
Them rice up, that's a 5 pounds up?
Yeah.
So 1 5-pound rice, 1 5-pound flour. Pound of saltfish. And we are going down the passage and we're going to take up probably 2 tin of butter, a butter bean, a baked bean, you know, because you don't know, them can use it to cook with the saltfish. Alright people, through the chicken, the turkey neck so cheap. No turkey neck no there, it done, none of the 2 shop now. So, we got to buy 3 pounds of chicken, so I'm going to go 5 pounds instead of 3 pounds. Alright. Cashier time, alright. 3 rand. Oh, you just want one. I'm going to tell you how much, right? Yeah. 3 mini crackers. 3 bulla. Our 6 last comments ready.
Yeah, I'm put it in front there, I want to play on the back.
5 tang.
The young lady will get that. Go in case of buster.
3 coconut cookies. 1 tough crackers. That's the large crackers, people. 3 mac and cheese. Stop. We buy, I remember kids them, you know, so we buy little snacks too. You understand, people? Alright. 2 bags of sugar. 3 tin of boom. Tin mackerel, aka dirty girl. A small bucket of ketchup. 3 small tin of bully beef. 3 sardines. 1 baked bean, 1 butter bean, called saltfish, so make sure give them something you can go with the salt. Alright. Pound of saltfish. I want 2 pounds of carne. Alright, one more. Really nice. 5 pounds of rice. Yeah. 5 flour. This is our 4 pounds of chicken.
I'm tired.
2 water. Alright, now oil, we have some oil in the left out of, then we have some backyard oil left. So basically, we're going to use the oil. Alright, what that? 8,000 something. I say we can run the bill to 10,000 people. The bill are like 8,000 something. See, so, I'm going to run it to 10,000. So, alright people, I add bread to it. I add 3 tissue. Or I forget the soap down at the small shop down at the next shop down there, so. Bath soap, Lasco. $1,400. I have oil and toothpaste and I have left out some things I will buy to pack the bag then, so I just put that on it. So just stay tuned. Alright? Some finished cash is now, bro. You add the 3 tissue? 3, so I add the bread and the Lasco already. The last one.
Bad
Yeah, me. Last one. The bread. Oh, you say you got the fish already? Alright. That's good.
They're at the door.
Ready for me?
Cigarette.
Sky burger chicken neck.
10 spots, 10 chicken box.
Alright, my people, see it here. So we'll probably get another look on it when you can deliver. Because you know, people think smart, we say me buy things and take back out the things them. So when I deliver, you know, we see a rough look back at what I go on, alright? So stay tuned. And tomorrow that's still in because today is Thursday, so as the traffic ease up tomorrow morning in the 10 o'clock bells, we make the arrangement with her and go link her up. So people, as you can see, it's the next day. So I am on my way to deliver these food items, snacks and a little grocery to this recipient. I'm on Marcus Garvey Drive. She lives in the Tel Aviv Southside area. So I'm going to meet her at the Central Police Station. So but up on the journey, you're going to meet her, you know. As you don't know, baby mother have probably about 3 or 4 kids. And she reached out with some groceries, so I have to deal with it. First time going outside of my community in doing this thing. But she know me through my channel and you know my little diaspora part of the channel and stuff. So what I don't know. So stay tuned. Look at one of our monument people here, Jamaica building. Boy, may I tell you, gone are the days government of Jamaica sell out the whole of the little asset where we have. All because of poor management. They have to sell out all of the little asset where we have. Boy, may I tell you. So alright people, I reach. So do me I reach before. I mean I like them something, you know. People for wait for me. If me I come to you, if you assist you, you have to wait for me. Because if you assist me, I come to you before you even ready. Anyway, we are waiting for her. Alright, people. Alright, me reach. See her here. Me now go put her face in her video. Look at baby, come on tell the video. Me now go put her face in her video, but this is her, alright? And her kids them. See them there? Yeah. Alright, so delivery time, so I want to show you say, alright, we have some ramen noodle, we have some Lasco ready mix tea, tang, biscuit, sugar, bully beef, tin mackerel, sardine, butter bean, rice, flour, biscuit, some snacks in there for the kids. This is some chicken. All this don't make it melt out on there. Some chicken, and we have some stationery here, some sanitary things here. 2 bottles of water in it, toilet paper, toothpaste, fab soap, bath soap, coconut oil. We have bread here, so rice, flour, cornmeal, crackers. Alright? So just make the best use of it. And just say thanks to the people that support the channel.
Yeah, I want to say thanks on behalf of all who support
The channel.
the channel.
Yes, Life is a Mission TV.
Life is a Mission TV. I want to say thank you very much to each and everyone, and I appreciate it.
Alright, bless up yourself here. Some people, that is it, you know. Yeah, man, on a boat, nor a ship, nor a yacht is it. That is it. So we come to the end of another give back, you know, for the month. As I say, bless up to the people that support the channel and watch the ads of that, you know, give the channel a revenue so we can be able to do this from probably the liquor what I make differently from my personal business, you know, and at times when, you know, my little people them, you know, we are part of the A team, we send something, it help, you know, we can stretch the thing a little longer, but when it is not there, it's just not there. But she reach out to me and me just deal with it, and she reach out in a right time too. Right now the Monthend when me normally do the give back and me never have nobody on list. So it does work out in our favor. So you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, hit the thumbs up. Bank of Jamaica then front away. And Scotia headquarters in Jamaica right here. So yeah man, just do the do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, hit the thumbs up in the video. Please to watch the ads, continue to support the channel by watching the ads. Like the videos so the videos can get algorithm, share out to a wider audience, not just our little audience we have. Alright? And remember, support the merge also. That's how you also help me. You can help people like them. They see that she have what, 4 kids. 2 of them are 2 little babies, only 1 year separate them age. Them last 2 they look like a 1 year separate them age. You understand? The big boy I must about 15 she said. The next girl are probably 13 or 11 somewhere there so. You understand? So, you know, so we can help people like them they were needy, not greedy. You understand? Despite some of them put themselves in the position of them inner. Guys, like some of them have to take too long to learn. You understand? And then again sometimes circumstances them just can't help it. You understand? Because of the same needs, them, you know, I travel on the road them them can't even help themselves. What do we say them don't know say it's dangerous, but them just can't help themselves. It's just survival and the day them a deal with. You understand? And get caught in a certain predicament. So we can't even to bash people sometime when certain things happen or them in a certain position. But we just want to continue to support the channel and help the channel have to grow. You understand? Because this is a channel for them type of something them. And this is why I want the channel can grow. So we can help more than one somebody. More when I'm one time, if I'm 5, 6 somebody, I can help. Me now go on a wide scale business, but me I run a charity. No wide scale thing about no charity. We just want to know so we can help people and find somebody. A month time. You know, with a bag of grocery. If me even have to say, boy, me find 5 somebody when me adapt. Every month, me make sure that 5 person there, you know, have some food in them house. If I adapt that 5 person there every month, yeah. So it's like an adaptation program. Me just adapt some, not program, but me just adapt some people. When me know say every month, me look out for them and me give them some grocery. It might not a permanent fix, it might not can serve them for the whole month, but at least it better than none at all. Better you're able to find half pound of rice in cook, and you eat all the half pound of rice 3 times. More than you can't find none of that depending on sit down and say, boy, who I carry little come. You already have 1 little half pound can deal with. Alright? So as I said, let's put yourself and support the merge, man. Check out the website of charmsandtrend.shop. Check out the Speak My Mind Life is a Mission merge. Anything you want to see over there, you can get it customized upon the website, even in a Speak My Mind merge. Alright? Peace out.